What are the key differences between Power BI Desktop and Power BI Service? Power BI Desktop is a standalone application used for building data models, creating reports, and visualizing data locally on a desktop or laptop. Power BI Service, on the other hand, is a cloud-based platform for sharing, collaborating, and publishing Power BI reports and dashboards online. While Power BI Desktop is primarily used for authoring content, Power BI Service enables sharing and consumption of reports across an organization. How does Power BI differ from other business intelligence tools like Tableau or ClickView? Power BI, Tableau, and ClickView are all powerful business intelligence tools, but they differ in terms of features, pricing, and user experience. Power BI is known for its tight integration with other Microsoft products, ease of use, and cost-effectiveness, making it suitable for organizations already invested in the Microsoft ecosystem. Tableau is renowned for its advanced visualizations and flexibility, while ClickView offers powerful data discovery and associative model capabilities. What are the limitations of Power BI Free versus Power BI Pro licenses? Power BI Free allows users to create, share, and consume reports and dashboards, but with certain limitations such as limited data refresh rates, smaller storage capacity, and absence of collaboration features like sharing content with colleagues. Power BI Pro, on the other hand, offers advanced features including higher data refresh rates, larger storage capacity, collaboration capabilities, and access to on-premises data sources. Can Power BI connect to non-Microsoft data sources? Yes, Power BI supports connectivity to a wide range of data sources including non-Microsoft sources such as Salesforce, Google Analytics, Amazon Redshift, MySQL, Oracle, and many others. This flexibility allows users to import data from diverse sources and create comprehensive reports and dashboards within Power BI. What are some common data visualization best practices in Power BI? Effective data visualization in Power BI involves adhering to best practices such as choosing the right chart type for the data, avoiding cluttered visuals, using consistent color schemes and formatting, providing clear titles and labels, incorporating interactivity through slicers and filters, and ensuring accessibility for users with disabilities. Is Power BI suitable for real-time data analytics? Yes, Power BI offers real-time data streaming capabilities through integration with services like Azure Stream Analytics and Azure Event Hubs. Users can ingest and visualize streaming data in near real time, enabling them to monitor key metrics, detect trends, and make timely decisions based on up-to-date information. What are some considerations when implementing row-level security in Power BI? Row-level security in Power BI restricts access to data rows based on predefined criteria, such as user roles or organizational hierarchy. When implementing row-level security, it's important to carefully define security roles, establish clear rules for data access, test security configurations thoroughly, and regularly review and update security policies to ensure compliance and data integrity.